Beauty, hello. Welcome back to another vlog. Oh. Don't mind the dead body in the back. She is not feeling that well.
I feel great.
Yeah, says her body posture. Right now, we are gonna get ready to eat. Can I, yes. I am sleeping over at this girl's house today. I will not get that part. We might eat at Cheesecake Factory.
Freaking exercise.
Alright, so we just finished watching Shang-Chi. I was pronouncing it Shang-Chi. Shang-Chi. It was so good. Good morning. So we are on our way to pick up the girls. Then we're gonna get some coffee out by Hannam to get some snack. We need to get our ramen per usual. Wow, so we got lobster roll, lobster grilled cheese, lobster mac and cheese. What is that?
Lobster bisque.
Lobster bisque, another lobster roll. We're at Quincy's, I think? Yes. Original Lobster. Yes. Let's dig in.
But I want you guys to try it first, and then if we want to add it, we can add it.
Why am I making that noise? 자,
자,
lobster 맛있다. 맛있어?
yesterday,
Alright, hello. We are at our motel called the Aztec Inn. It's quaint, it's small, it's cute. Fine. Oh, the green one. See?
Alrighty guys, so...
Thank you. What? A tuk-tuk? Because I'm keeping going. Oh, it's connected. Like, we are connected. Oh. Yes. Like that. The other way? Should we go this way? No. Everybody good? Good. Is it green? Yes. Okay.
push, pedal,
Go.
like you've never pedaled before in your life.
Oh my gosh, we're literally riding by cars. Huh? Oh. Somebody who loves me, dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Stop, are we going to?
Can we go a little bit faster, please?
Yeah, a little faster. Do it again. No, I will not let you do this. You're gonna regret it. Do it again. I gotta protect you. He's my friend. Do it again. Can we get the joke?
That looked like a cute place to grab a drink, and I'd like to...
It's so pretty. It's so good. Wow. All right. Good evening.
What do I do with this?
No, we're just done.
너무 정신없어. 아줌마.
You put your nasty shoe on the bed?
Thanks so much. Yo, it's so deep. Did you? What? This guy attached to the wall. What?
Good morning. It is day 2, our last day here. We are going to go to the beach and do some biking, get some coffee. Why are we like this? Yeah. To your right if you can. If you can't, then keep. Oh, it's right here. Looking straight. 커피 마셨나요? 네. Oh, I sound like that. Oh, 너 원래 그래. Yep. Yep. 우린 여전히 Dumb and Dumber야. 근데
On a bike.
아쉬가 나보다 조금 더 운전 잘하네. 그래서 난 뒤쪽으로 킥아웃 됐어.
Drive and have coffee in the other hand.
I know. 너도 뭐래?
A few moments later.
There she goes. There she goes. She might float away.
She may.
Oh, no.
Look.
Oh, no, maybe not. Into the water. Ladies and gentlemen, urine is...
다들 재밌게 놀았나요?
Yes. No, the cap has 라면 국물 on it. It's not ready. You swiped it.
Alright, how was the trip for you so far?
So we had a 2-day trip, but it felt like 4. So I don't know if it's because we're old, or we just did terrible planning, or... Oh. No, but we had a great time. We had a great time. Did you not have a good time? I had a great time. We did. I mean, what more could we do here except beach and bike? Yes, but it just felt like so long.
We are going back home. No, that's not. We're supposed to leave around 5 p.m., but we're a little tired. So we're gonna get a head start and then go to Bergen and eat some jjigae and call it a day.
You know what would be the most ironic way for me to die?
Whoa. Cheese? cheese 맛있어?